ביאור משנה, let's do ד' also.
Yeah.
ביאור משנה ד'. שיעור המלבן את הצמר. The measurement of whitening the wool. והמנפץ אותו. And מנפץ, I think it's some kind of combing it. Making it, because it's rough. It's something to make it a little bit more smoother. והצובע אותו, or coloring it, והטובה ממנו חוטים, or makes from it yarn, שכל אלו הם אבות מלאכות שנשנו לעיל. So all these are the אבות מלאכות that we mentioned before. שיעורם נדחה לה בשבת. How much are you, before a person is obligated on Shabbat? כמלא רוחב הסית כפול. It is the measurement of the width of a double seat. כלומר, כדי לטוות מאותו צמר חוט אחד, once if you can make from that string, from that wool one string, שאורכו כמלוא רוחב הסית כפול. The width is a certain measurement, a double seat. היינו שיעור המרחק שבין האגודה לאצבע. It is because they used to make this one. That's how they used to make it. So it's the measurement from here to here.
Here to here.
Etzba, I think this is the etzba, no? The big one?
Etzba is the small one. No, etzba
is this one. Yeah, so you go like this.
Okay.
That measurement, that's it. So you need double seat. 1, 2. שבין האגודה לאצבע. שם באנו שמלוא הסיט היינו כרוחב שבין אצבע לאמה. Or it's between an אצבע לאמה. This one to this one, I don't know, say, or maybe this one to this one, whatever אצבע לאמה is. והרווח שבין האגודה לאצבע נקרא מלוא סיט הכפול. And the length between the האגודה and the אצבע, it's called a double seat. שכן שיעור זה כפול המרחק שבין אצבע לאמה. This is double בין אצבע לאמה. I think this is אצבע in אמה area, and this is double seat. This is one measurement, and this is double that measurement. Okay. I think that's what makes sense. והרמב"ם כותב, the Rambam writes, כמלוא רוחב הסית הכפול, שהוא אורך 4 טפחים. It is about 4 טפחים. וההורג 2 חוטים, and one who weaves 2 strings, זה מכניס 2 חוטי ערב בשתי, שיעורה באורך הרבעי כמלוא הסית. The measurement is the מלוא הסית, אף על פי שלא הרגם לכל רוחב האריג, אלא כשיעור הרוחב שבין אצבע לאמה. 2 טפחים לפי רבעי אחר. Oh, this is interesting. If you've got the strings in the 2 בתי נירין, you remember? The strings are far away from each other. Okay. Right? And we said already, if you have to go in between, you have to give two strings. He says over here, you don't need to go 2 strings. You need to go the length of that, even if it doesn't have 2 strings in it. I think that's what he's saying, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't have the drawing. כמלוא הסית, yeah.
כאילו ללכת עד הסוף.
You don't have to go until the end. That's what he's saying. You would think you need to go until all the end, but it says once you go in כמלוא הסית, that's it.
You're done.
Because why? Because then you can get the masrek and bring it down, and it kind of joins it, even if the other ones... I'm not quite... I think he's talking about you did it in the top. And in the top, the strings go and become tighter. And in the top, you didn't go through 2 strings, but you put it through. But once, even though you put it through, once the next day, somebody's going to come and bring it down, it already does something. Maybe that's why you're already obligated, even though it doesn't have the measurement. Okay.